guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Jordan Zoom Separate. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to say this is our time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So let's go and thank you. So before we get unboxing, we got the Jordan Zoom Separate in the black University red white colorway and a European size 42. It's a US 8.5 and it's a UK 7.5. Here we go. Here it is. Reminds me of the Air Jordan 10, personally. I mean, color-wise and the way that the color blocking is placed, so you know, taxi cabs and playoffs as well. This is, believe it or not, a performance basketball sneaker. It says it right there, but we'll get into all those little details. Personally, I mean, I do like using Jordan series, so you know, Jordan, at the minute we've done the Jordan 36, so check out that review. But there are Team Jordan sneakers that have been used on court. You got this Jordan brand performance sneaker, so you can more or less use this. Guys, off the back of our running review, if you want to see us do some basketball performance reviews, let us know in the comment section below. That's how we know when we get you guys involved, so let us know and we might do one if there's enough commenting, of course. So before we get into the little details of this sneaker, we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is all rubber outsole, multi-directional traction padding here. You got the Jumpman logo that's situated in the middle, and you can kind of see it here at the forefoot. You got this red little section that's at the forefoot, and that contains just, you know, underneath it, well above it, a Zoom Air unit. It's right there for your forefoot. Moving along onto the midsole unit. So what makes this the Jordan Separate, is that this has dual density foam. So you can see the split there and all around right there with the Nike Air unit. So even though it says it's got the Nike Air technology that's found in the forefoot of the sole unit, it's actually found only in the forefoot. You don't have a normal air bubble here, but you do have a genuine Zoom Air unit. And Michael Jordan himself preferred Zoom Air to the normal Nike Air. You look at the back as well, so you can see it. I know we're getting ahead of ourselves, but I want to show that when you continue around the midsole, you got this nice Nike Air logo and the Jumpman logo right above it here. Moving along to the upper, so you got synthetic materials upper, so you got loads of textile materials. You got mesh on the forefoot, right there in the toe box area. Nicely padded tongue, so the tongue is very separate from the body of the sneaker, so it kind of folds twofold. Again, it's part of that separate, so you can see it here. The tongue is part of the front, right there. There it is, padding, and then the bulk of the sneaker is made out of these mesh at the back here, and you got a nice heel clip of plastic there. The lacing systems, I wouldn't say it's your traditional rope lacing system. It's normal kind of flat laces here, flat tongue, ankle support. It reminds me of like the And One sneakers because you've got proper big padding all around the ankle support, so it will help you not break your own ankles while you're trying to cross someone over. Pull tab on the tongue as well. Insole, foam insole, and you got the Air here logo with the Jumpman, and totally forgot to mention that you got the Jumpman logo on the tongue, and you got the same on here as well. Pretty dope sneaker. Again, it reminds me of the Air, I think I said Air Jordan 10 at the beginning of the video. I meant Air Jordan 12. These remind me of the Air Jordan 12s, more or less the size of it and the colorway as well itself. If you didn't believe me that this is a Jordan brand performance sneaker, it says so right here on the medial side, and I can't wait to try these on, show you guys what they look like on feet. Again, if you wanted to see us do a performance review, see us hit the streets of the courts. Let us know in the comment section below. So roll that footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size fit. When it comes to Nike and Air Jordan sneakers, I am true to size 7.5 UK. My toes are where they need to be. These are really comfy, guys. Not else more I can say, actually. I just feel like when it comes to basketball sneakers, you're in a bit of two ways. It depends how you play, really. If you want more traction for when you're going up and down the court, or you want more cushioning every time you land. And I feel like this is very sturdy, so I feel like if I'm going to be jumping around a lot, it can take that force. I can't really feel the Zoom Air unit that's below my 4 feet. It kind of feels very squishy at the heel because of the dual density foam, but with all those little aspects said, at the end of the day, this is a very comfortable basketball sneaker. There's no slippage as well, so that's why I recommend you get your true to size fit. It feels like it's very locked down, supportive of my feet. I don't feel like these are gonna fly away anytime soon. And again, these are very comfortable. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.